100 children to do today. This year, the head from this year body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Yeah, this year, the Queen Quet. Then Charleston, South Kakalaki. One more again. Downtown Chucktown. This year, the Moja Art Festival 2009. From September 24th to October 4th, we want 100 children for come here, for join we. So 100 can know what is going on for truth. Moja Festival 2009. Come on down, children, to the Gullah Geechee Nation. I want to tell them to do this year, the one more again, Queen Question and Moja. And we right here at the Heritage Day. Well, look, you're plenty of time on the Yetiba Moja, and you ain't know but this year on behind the scenes. This is the least Amos Goodman. How you doing today? I'm doing wonderful. I'm quite well. Now tell us, what year is this of Moja?
Larabo.
2016.
Celeste Larabo, y'all give it up.
And you've been there from the first one.
Well, no, I started in 88.
In 1988. Okay.
And I've been back to the area. I started with them in 88.
Outstanding. And ever since, it's kind of like you've been nurturing this baby.
Absolutely.
All right. And so this baby is a young adult now.
It's grown into what you see. 11, more like 15 days.
15 days.
Yes.
All right. Outstanding. And so yesterday you had the block party.
Yesterday we had the block dance and we had the huge crowd out there. And we had the Christmas parade about the children which participated in the Christmas parade. And tonight we have our dance concert. With Layla Hathaway.
Outstanding.
That's wonderful.
Right. And we know the OJs are coming to town
OJs are coming to town next Saturday. And we have a gospel concert tomorrow.
All right.
And we have out here today, it's Heritage Day.
Yes.
And you have a lot of talent and wares and food and wonderful time of fellowship.
Yes. And that's the key word, fellowship.
Yes.
So really with the word Moja means one.
Yes.
And so when they gave it that name, I would think that fellowship was really what they considered.
I think so. They also saw it as the #1 festival.
Ah, now that what makes the difference, to make it the #1 festival. And we know every year you celebrate African American art, the Caribbean, Gullah Geechee culture, and everything. You also have things that go on with authors. What type of events do you have coming up?
We have a literary corner for the young people in Savannah. And I'm sorry, it's Columbia, Savannah. Right.
Oh, okay.
And this year we're promoting one of our own. On Tuesday at 8.
Yeah.
We also have an educational outreach. Thank you once again. You're stepping up to be a part of that program.
I love it.
Going into the schools and talking to our young people and teach them about our heritage.
Absolutely.
That goes on the first for 5 or 6 days.
Yes.
And then we have poetry and storytelling every afternoon from 6 to 7.
Okay.
Give poets an opportunity to express themselves.
Right.
And then we have an open mic at 8. And anybody who is a poet or aspiring poet can come out and express themselves.
And that comes every evening at 8.
Avery is hosting on Saturday, from 2:30 to 3:30 on October the 3rd. But every evening it's hosted at 5 different locations.
Oh, it's the rest of the poetry.
You can go on motorfestival.com and you can find it everything. Absolutely.
Yes, so all the 100 children that are watching if you've been from the Facebook page, you see that link up there for Moja Festival. Make sure you click on it, go to it, you'll see where all the galleries are, where you can go see the artists. You can come out, if you do spoken word, bring it. We want to hear it. Bring it to Chucktown, and when you come to Chucktown, you better be ready if you get on an open mic. Trust that, you better be ready. And then you have numerous artists coming. You heard it, from jazz to the OJs. It's all here, the Moja Art Festival 2009. And I'm here with Elise Amos Goodwin, the lady behind the scenes, bringing it to the forefront. And we thank for the children for joining me, because this year, there was going on.
Faithful
Once again, y'all give it up for Miss Celeste. My goodness.